Are you ready for a healthy and crispy breakfast recipe? Let's dive in. Start by taking 2 middle-sized buttery croissants, slice off the tops, and gently hollow out the insides to create space for the filling. Once the croissants are ready, grab a mixing bowl and let's whip up the perfect filling. Crack 2 eggs into the bowl and give them a light whisk until the yolks and whites combine. Next, chop about 1 tablespoon, 15 grams of fresh spinach and add it to the eggs. Dice 2 cherry tomatoes, about 2 tablespoons, 30 grams, and toss those in as well. Then take 8 mini mozzarella balls, roughly 2 ounces, 50 grams, and quarter them. Add that to the mix and stir everything together until it's beautifully combined. It's time to fill the croissants. Carefully spoon the mixture into each croissant, making sure they're filled to the brim but not overflowing. Don't miss out on any new recipes. Please support me by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. I love you all. When it's done, we're ready to move them into your air fryer. Set 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius for 4 minutes. When the timer goes off, open the air fryer and sprinkle shredded cheese on top. There, we're using American cheese, but feel free to use your favorite one. Bump up the temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, and cook for another 5 minutes until golden and crisp. Finally, they're ready! Just listen to that crispiness, pure perfection. They're healthy, packed with flavor, and oozing with cheesy goodness. Enjoy your cheesy, veggie-packed croissants. And don't forget to subscribe for more delicious and healthy air fryer recipes. Thank you for watching and see you in the next episode.